create some horizontal tracking scenarios and experiment with acceleration. So we'll just make it short, strafe scenario, and we'll do tracking. Alright, so first let's try and make a sort of very gradual acceleration for very long strafes. So I'm going to make it sort of strafe around you circularly, so it'll turn into a cylinder, and we'll make it let's say 180 degrees to start with. Bring the height in a little bit. So I'm going to add left to right. We'll start going right, and we'll just do maybe 60% of the 180 degrees. Let's just see how that goes. This initial position, we'll just make it a little bigger. Since it's proximity tracking, it doesn't really matter how big it is. It'll just be graded on how close to the center you are. And so I'm pressing R to go in and out of testing the scenario. That's the restart scenario keybind. Alright, so it slowly gets faster. I think we should have it end up getting very fast. So it's a gradual build. Alright, we need more longer strafes. So we'll just go the whole distance. I think the room should be bigger. Let's just go. So the strafes are getting pretty sweeping. So let's make it build slower and just give the max speed higher so it just builds to whatever it builds to. And we can draw sides on the room just so you can get a sense of where the boundaries are. Alright, I'm just going to create that. So that is a certain type of scenario. So say we want to get it to be more some vertical movement. Hit U, update the scenario. So I'm going to add up, down. So random, up, down. And so I'm going to have it go just full length of the height, 100% of the height, back and forth. I'm going to make it slower, maybe just make it slower in general. Oh, that's too much. So now it should, oh, look at that. It's going through the walls. So I'm gonna bring it in a little bit. And so now it should just go up and down nicely. So the same horizontal movement as before, but now it goes up and down. That was a little slow, maybe. a little more aggressive up and down. Alright, so I mean you can add in like back and forward, so moving towards you and away from you if you want. Yeah, you can also add some just randomness. So we'd say if we wanted to each strafe, maybe it's like 20% different in the acceleration profile and the up down. Let's add some randomness there. So now it's just a little more varied in the speeds. Each strafe will choose to accelerate at a different rate and have a different max speed. Let me see. So this is going over, so it's having 0 vertical speed pretty often, which is not ideal. Yeah, so now it's just a little more unpredictable, and you can just tweak all these settings. You can also use center bias. So that would basically mean that if it's really high, the next strafe down will be longer, and if it's high and the next strafe would be going up, it'll make it shorter. I mean, these are full-length strafes, so it doesn't really matter. But that's just basically an example of playing with the acceleration, speed, and strafing. You can also go in and say, it's for up down, I don't want it to go the whole way. I want it to go like between 70 and 30% on the strafes. So now it'll be a little more unpredictable. See, it doesn't always go to the top. And you can do the same